Hi everyone, Eric Reynolds with your Fox 10 News Now update. The CDC is now recommending that even fully vaccinated people wear masks indoors. The new recommendation calling for folks to wear masks in public indoor settings in areas with a high COVID-19 transmission rates, even if they are fully vaccinated. The reason now, according to the CDC, is the highly contagious Delta variant. The new advice comes on top of guidelines issued earlier this month by the Federal Health Agency, recommending masks for unvaccinated people 3 and older inside school buildings. The CDC now says that applies even to vaccinated people inside the schools. Alabama Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris says that he knows the changing guidance can be confusing.
As the science changes, the recommendations change too. I know that can be frustrating for the public. People feel like that we're flipping back and forth, and certainly you can understand why they would feel that way. But in fact, the real world situation has changed.
Alabama currently has the lowest rate of fully vaccinated people in the country and one of the nation's highest transmission rates. The CDC is still recommending universal indoor masking for all teachers, staff, students, and visitors to K-12 schools, regardless of their vaccination status. Baldwin County Public Schools are not requiring masks, saying that they are monitoring and will continue to monitor the situation. Mobile County also not changing yet.
We had said last week that we are not requiring masks, but we are strongly recommending masks, and that is what we are sticking to as of now. It changes daily, and so we're monitoring the numbers, we're monitoring all the guidance, and that will go into our ultimate plan.
One Alabama school system is changing its policy. Birmingham City Schools says that students, teachers, and anyone in the school buildings will now be required to wear masks. Talks continue over new plans to ease congestion across the Interstate 10 Bayway. Right now, the new Mobile River Bridge project is in phase 1, which means that the Alabama Department of Transportation, ALDOT, is working on contracts and traffic studies. There has been talk of a truck-only toll bridge, but Fox 10 News has learned that ALDOT may give all drivers an option to use that toll bridge.
Right now, we're looking at both options. We're trying to work on defining what that phase 1 scope is. So what was put in the amendment with the MPOs was looking at the truck option as well as looking at an option for all vehicles.
As it stands now, ALDOT is considering a $15 toll for trucks and $2 for passenger vehicles. Drivers will still be allowed to travel free through the Africatown Bridge or the Wallace and Bankhead tunnels. There is no time frame for when construction would begin, but state and local leaders hope to finalize the details by September of 2022.
I'm meteorologist Michael White with your Fox 10 Storm Tracker report. A look at the radar before 4:30 in the morning. You can see where there were some overnight showers and storms that have since started to fade away, with new showers beginning to blossom. And this is going to be a day where we'll see rain chances come and go, but most will still appear in the afternoon when temperatures are at their hottest and the air is the most unsettled. You can see in the 12-hour loop where storms were yesterday afternoon, where they were yesterday evening, and the majority fizzled when the sun went down. We are going to be in a wetter pattern. The coverage of showers and storms better this afternoon than it was the previous 2 days. So if your individual location did not get any rain, the odds are better that you will get a shower today. But remember, these late July showers can produce heavy rain and lots of lightning. So when thunder roars, go indoors. Here's a glimpse at your weather headlines for this Wednesday morning. Very humid when you step outside. And then for the day, better rain and storm opportunities. And in the long-range forecast, more heat and more storms. Let's go through the Fox 10 Futurecast where we run the clock forward, and you'll notice by the time we get to this afternoon, a good number of showers and storms will begin to blossom. Heavy rain and lightning will be the main threats. Then you'll see the showers begin to fade and wane after the sun begins to go down. Here's a look at how the next 7 days stack up. The highs remain in the mid to low 90s every afternoon. Triple-digit heat index values in place. Mornings in the mid to upper 70s. The coverage of storms Friday through Sunday 30 to 40%, so a little lower, but still you'll have to do more of the same. Stay hydrated, look out for that summer heat, and watch out for summer storms. We will continue to update you on your forecast throughout the day right here on Fox 10 News Now.